Hey, I'm Joe Gallaher, the owner of Gallaher Fleet Solutions, and October's blog is about question and answers that we see quite a bit from some of our fleet customers. So some of the questions that we run across on a regular basis are, why is diagnostic fees so expensive, or how do we reduce that? So we talk about that. We talk about how to know if you're getting quality repairs versus just patch jobs. And then we also talk about how to minimize downtime and go over how to partner with the right diesel truck repair shop, or how to pick the right service when you're out on the road dealing with a breakdown. Also, we would like to hear some more questions from you guys so we know what you need from us. If you could respond to the blog with a question, we would love to answer it for you. We'd love to put it in our next blog or make it the topic of focus for our next blog. Please give us your feedback. We'd love to hear it. Thank you.